Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be talking about a crypto passive income strategy that's going to be able to give you a current 100% APY in Ethereum, ladies and gentlemen. This is the first video of a playlist I'm going to start on my channel. We're going to be talking about crypto passive income strategies in a way that most people never discuss on YouTube. Let me first say this. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not qualified to make investment decisions for you nor recommendations for you, but I will share with you what I am using, what I am doing, what I'm investing in. I will also do my best to try to let you know when I'm biased, when I'm invested into a project. I'm not invested in every project that I'm discussing, but I am invested in many of them, and I will disclose that to you on this channel. This is what I promise you. With every video that I put out, I try to give you the good, the bad, and the ugly. I tell you what I like, and I tell you what I don't like and potential future concerns that I see. The best way to research projects is to be able to understand a project from multiple different angles. If you can understand the good, the bad, the ugly, and then you make a decision to invest, then you make a decision to put your capital behind a project, that is the best way to do it. That way we're not getting caught up in the hype, the emotion, and the enthusiasm. Now granted, this space is incredibly exciting, and I myself get very excited, and I can come across being very hypey, and I am just as I'm prone to getting FOMO just like you are, fear of missing out. There's so many interesting things in this space. We are on the cusp of incredible technology. We are watching amazing things happen in cryptocurrency, economics, finance, as well as technology. And we are literally at the precipice of all of it, ladies and gentlemen. And so I'm honored to be on this journey with you. Today we're talking about creating passive income in cryptocurrency. I believe some of the best passive income that exists today in the world is in the cryptocurrency space. And I believe that the opportunity that we have now may not always be here, but it is here right now. For example, being able to earn 100% APY on an asset like Ethereum. Most of us would agree the price is going to go a lot higher in the future. We may disagree on how high it's going to go, but most of us agree it's potentially going to go much, much higher than it is right now. So imagine being able to earn even 30% or 50% APY on something, and it being an asset that for all intents and purposes will most likely go up in the future. And let's get started. What are we talking about? We are talking about LooksRare. Before we get into the APR and how that works and what makes it unique compared to most, what is LooksRare? First and foremost, if you're familiar with something like OpenSea, it's basically a marketplace where people can buy and sell NFTs. LooksRare is a direct competitor to OpenSea. The biggest difference between OpenSea and LooksRare is that the trading fees that are earned on the platform get distributed to everyone who holds the LooksRare token. This is an actual token. Let's go look at that token quickly on CoinMarketCap. The LooksRare token is also called the Looks token. Let's take a look at the chart. Here we are at 1 month, and it's done pretty good. It obviously had a big bump. It dropped down, and now it's come along here, and it may continue to go up. It may continue to go down. Who knows? This project is very interesting. It got some bad press because the developers of the project basically pulled a lot of money out of the project. And when I say they pulled money out of the project, they pulled the trading fees that they earned for owning the LooksRare token. Their tokens have been locked up. They have not at this point been able to sell their tokens. So, and at some point in the future, they will be able to sell their tokens. But they ended up within a couple of months pulling out multiple hundreds of millions of dollars that they earned in fees because they originally owned the LooksRare tokens. That news story did not bother me at all. Like, it didn't bother me at all. I didn't care. People were like, oh, you shouldn't have made so much money off your project. It's a business. They're successful. It clearly worked. So what? Their competitor out there, OpenSea, is not giving rewards to anybody. The great thing about LooksRare and the Looks token is we have the ability to basically be essentially part owners in this platform. The other great thing about this project is how the rewards are paid out. They're not paying out the rewards in LooksRare tokens. I just told you part of it. Let's go look at rewards real quick. 172% APR. Now, I told you 100% APR in Ethereum because if you come down here and look right here, current Looks APR. So we get 65% of our APR in the Looks token, additional Looks token, which those are auto compounded for us. That's incredible. In ETH, WETH is wrapped ETH. Wrapped ETH, we get 107% APR right now. This APR is not an inflationary APR. The 107% you see right there, that's not inflationary. That's directly from rewards currently that are being earned in the ecosystem from people trading, buying, and selling NFTs. The current looks APR, this is inflationary. What do I mean by that? Meaning that these rewards are being distributed to everybody. And if people wanted to sell these rewards, it would drive the price down. But the majority of the rewards are getting paid out in wrapped ETH. I'd much rather get my rewards in an asset like Ethereum or in Bitcoin or some sort of a stable coin than the underlying token, because the reality is it doesn't cost them nothing to mint that token. This is legitimate revenue coming from the platform. And by the way, this is what the founders had removed or withdrawn, and they got a lot of criticism for that. Again, I think it's kind of silly that they got that criticism personally. But anytime someone makes a lot of money, you're always going to have haters out there. Someone's going to call them greedy. That's just life. Move along. We can't worry about that. Hopefully, we're able to one day pull out millions and millions of dollars out of any platform, and we'll be tickled to do that. We're getting 107% in wrapped ETH right now, and let me just show you what that looks like for me. So I've been in here, I don't know, 2 or 3 days, 4 days, maybe more. I can't remember. I know the APR was higher. It was about 200%. As the price of the token goes, there's several things that affect three things affect the APR. The price of Ethereum, the higher Ethereum goes, the higher the APR will be. The higher the Looks token will go, since 65% of the rewards are paid out in Looks token, the higher the APR overall will be. Plus, the more Looks token that gets staked, the lower the APR will be. Because the more Looks tokens, meaning the rewards have got to be spread among more people. At this point in time, the great thing about the Looks rewards, 65% APR that gets paid out, they're auto-compounded, so basically your stack continues to grow as you get the Looks rewards. And that's a good thing, because Looks tokens this is on the Ethereum network. Ethereum gas fees are ridiculous. I mean, it's not even worth withdrawing $22 worth of tokens, but since they're getting auto-compounded, it doesn't matter. I mean, we're not going to withdraw that anytime soon. Nor do I think a lot of people are withdrawing those Looks rewards and dumping it, not unless they're just a massive, massive well. But I've been kind of building a position here. I don't mind. I mean, I got 1,400 Looks. I bought 600 earlier today, and the rest I bought, I guess last week. Sorry, I just got back from about 5 days of vacation. I think I bought those before I went on vacation. I'm pretty sure I bought those before I went on vacation. So I'm just now we're still getting over 100% APR. This would be a good deal for me, even if we were getting 30 to 50% APR, because we're getting those rewards in Ethereum right here, wrapped ETH. I think this is incredible, because so many times when you are earning passive income in a lot of spaces in DeFi, you're earning that passive income in a way that's inflationary. You got some sort of platform giving you more of their own token. And most people who are earning that token are ultimately selling that token for something like Bitcoin or Ethereum or some sort of stable coin. So the idea that people are buying these NFT collections, by the way, we haven't really looked at them much, but people are buying these NFT collections. They're buying them with Ethereum. And the fees that are charged are getting distributed to 100% of the fees. I hope you saw that earlier, because I thought that was incredible. 100% of the fees, let's see where it's at. Right here, earn with Looks, earned by staking. 100% of Looks Rare's trading fees are redistributed proportionally to Looks holders. All the profit on the platform is distributed to Looks Rare Looks holders. So you're literally owning a piece of the pie. And I think this potentially, because the NFT market is probably going to continue to grow, which, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not even a fan of NFTs, not art NFTs. These collections, I am personally not a fan. It's not my thing. I don't understand it, don't get it. I think it may be a bubble, but here's what I know. The NFT marketplace is here to stay. There is a part of the NFT marketplace that I like. That's utility NFTs. I think utility NFTs are very interesting, and I think overall the NFT market will grow. There's always going to need to be a place to buy and sell NFTs, and Looks Rare definitely is in the running, because where else can you earn rewards? Plus, by the way, if you actually sell your NFT or buy an NFT on Looks Rare, then you get Looks token for doing that, which, by the way, that would be an inflationary reward, but you're going to get some Looks tokens for doing that. The goal is for the Looks token to ultimately become a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization. We'll see if that ever happens. I actually don't really necessarily care. What I really care about is being able to earn passive Ethereum, and I think that makes this platform very, very incredible. So recap, I'm going to tell you what I like, and then I'm going to go into the things that I don't like, and then I'll share with you what my goals are for the future of this particular project. But before I do that, let me say this. If you love earning passive income in cryptocurrency, do me a favor and make certain that you smash that like button. Go down in the description and subscribe to our Crypto Passive Profits newsletter. The newsletter is totally free to subscribe. Now, as we continue out this playlist, I'm going to be bringing you other strategies to be able to earn a passive income in cryptocurrency, because I think it's important to diversify your passive income opportunities that you have. I will bring it as many as I can, as many as time permits, to this channel. So be sure to subscribe, smash that bell notification icon, and click all. Okay, pros. I like that it's in a space that is on trend. Right now, NFTs are on trend. I like that. I like that we're earning such high rewards, 100% APR. That's really what I care about the most. But the 100% APR is in Ethereum. I think that's incredible, because not only are we earning 107% APR right now, but the price of Ethereum is probably going to go up, in my personal opinion. I don't like that we're earning Lux tokens, because it's a inflationary process. But I like the fact that they're auto-compounded for us. I like that a lot. Now, let's go through the things that I don't like. The things that I don't like is that right now OpenSea is the market leader, and I think LuxRare is going to take part of that market. But for now, OpenSea is the leader for sure. I don't like that they're on Ethereum. Gas fees are so expensive. If I wanted to come over here right now and collect this, $33 is what I have in here. If I tried to collect that, it would cost me right now $27. And that's I've seen it higher than that. I've seen it $40, $50. So $27 right now. This is definitely something that you're not going to come in here with a couple $100. Now, I will tell you there is one benefit to the fact that it's on Ethereum. You're far less likely to get diluted by a lot of the smaller money players. The truth is, most investors in crypto projects are actually small investors. The vast majority of most crypto holdings are small, or wallets with smaller balances, less than, $50,000 or $30,000 in most cases. So most of those wallets, they're in a lot of different projects in DeFi. They're probably not going to piece together several $1,000s, which is really the minimum amount that you need to have in Lux, in my personal opinion. So I guess I can say that I love and hate that it's on Ethereum, but I love that the rewards we get are in Ethereum. For me, this is a little bit of a longer term hold. One of the other things that I don't like about the project is I should not say that it's what I don't like, but it's the risk that I see. The risk is the Lux token. So in order to earn these rewards, you've got to buy the Lux token. Well, if we had bought that Lux token at the wrong time, then it would have been brutal. I mean, at one point in time, it was a $5 token. Now it's all the way down to 98 cents. So, I mean, if you'd have lost 80%, you'd have had to hold it all year plus rewards and hope that you got your funds back. But now it looks like that we're at the bottom of the market. For me personally, I feel like this is a good time to get in, and maybe we're picking up some steam. Again, not financial advice, just my personal opinion. So I hate that we have to hold the Lux. I don't hate that we have to hold the Lux token. The biggest risk is holding the token, and that's just important to be aware of. So for me, I'm just dollar cost averaging in. Probably in another week or two, I'll come in with another $1,000 or so, and I'm going to keep building up. My current plan is to get to probably about $5,000 worth or so, and then slowly grow it from there. Maybe get it to $10,000 eventually. In fact, there's a couple of different plays here. One play is come in and just withdraw all your rewards when it stacks up. Just withdraw, and try to, basically offset your risk, get back what you've put into the platform. The riskiest play is coming over here, collecting this, and redepositing it, buying more Lux and restaking those Lux. I may actually do that. I am ahead right now, just so you know. I had about $2,500 here when I invested, so it's gone up to. That's what I put into the platform, so it's going up to $2,700. So if the Lux price continues to go up, that's going to be awesome, and it may continue to go up because right now this APR is really, really good. So we may continue to see that. I mean, I could see this Lux price doubling at least, if not tripling. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. Again, not financial advice. I'm not saying that's going to happen. But at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, LuxRare allows us to be able to capitalize a growing trend in the NFT market and to be able to earn some fantastic passive income. 107% APY in Ethereum. That is incredible. That is very exciting. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Next week, you're going to see another video coming out on our crypto passive income strategies. You don't want to miss it. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, smash that bell notification icon. Thank you so much for watching. Decentralized cryptocurrency equals freedom. This is Crypto Wealth. I'm out.